Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Avantika.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Arushi. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
I have some doubts in history.
Yes, Saksham. Today is the doubt clearing session only. You can come up with your doubts that you have in the chapter. Yes, Saksham.
I also
Ma'am,
have to
now.
ask one.
Yes, you can ask.
Good morning.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Ma'am, the teacher.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Saksham, wait. Saksham, wait. Let everybody come in. Let everyone come in, okay?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vyom. Is Vyom Sharma not there?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Can we have cameras on for all of you? Only for 5 minutes? First 5 minutes?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Beta. Okay. Some are still joining. Let everyone join. Okay.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, Arav. Good afternoon. How are you?
Ma'am, the
Ha. Yes.
the maximum marks question will be of how many marks?
Beta, it has to be 5 marks, but then because it is a 40 marks paper and you will be getting 10 for each part.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think maximum marks you will get 3 marks.
Okay, ma'am. And
Okay.
ma'am, there was a tax in France, ma'am, teeth.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it was levied on, ma'am, only peasants or the whole third estate.
It is for the third estate, beta. Tithis was for the whole of the state. Whole of the state, but only for the third estate members. The
Okay,
third
ma'am.
estate
And ma'am,
were
who
there, yeah.
collected teeth? Ma'am, clergy or nobility?
Tithis was collected
Ma'am,
by the church. By the church.
ma'am, so clergy.
No. हाँ, clergy. Okay, clergy were the people who belong to the church. So, Tithi was taken by the, हम उसको directly बोलते हैं, it was taken by the churches. हम clergy को specify नहीं करते हैं उसमें, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the PPT, the notes you wrote, ma'am, in the nobility part, ma'am,
Yes.
there was a point, it collected taxes. Ma'am,
हाँ.
what were the taxes?
टेली जो था वो आपका नोबेलिटी कलेक्ट करता था क्योंकि नोबेलिटी वाज द फ्यूडल दिस थिंग नो दे वर द फ्यूडल लॉर्ड्स ठीक है
Ma'am, they were the official state, not the nobility.
nobility of course they were the second state members and they had the rights to collect the taxes revenue for the king.
So ma'am, teeth were collected by church and ma'am, tail were collected by nobility.
स्टेट उसको हम स्टेट बोलते हैं बाय द स्टेट कह देते हैं ठीक है नोबेलिटी को नहीं स्पेसिफाई करते हैं जैसे हम टिथीस के लिए चर्च को स्पेसिफाई करते हैं ऐसे हम टेली के लिए जो है आपका स्टेट को स्पेसिफाई करते हैं ठीक है इज किंजल देयर इन द क्लास किंजल आर यू देयर इन द क्लास
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून पौरुष
And ma'am,
यस बेटा
ma'am, like these source A, source B. Ma'am, will this come? Ma'am, like important ones will come. Ma'am, like on page number 7, I could not understand the source.
बेटा of course it may come because CBSE says they can give a question from anywhere of the chapter anywhere
Ma'am,
which
ma'am, so
source
can
you are
you
talking
explain
about which source you are talking about
ma'am, source A? Ma'am, I could not understand.
okay source A accounts
Ma'am,
of
page number 7.
accounts of I got it See here this one is not important. I'll tell you which sources are important. This source may come as a extract based question. You may get extracts from like you have unseen passages, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that way you may get unseen passage from this extract, right? Then come to source B and C. Source B is not important. Again, you may get an extract based question on that, but source C is important because they may ask you something related to the rights that are given over here, right? Right,
Yes,
class?
ma'am.
Okay. Then coming to the box 1. Box 1 is also important because they may ask you, they may specify, or they may give a picture of a political symbol, and they may ask you that what this symbol signifies, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then like see, there is an activity based on the political symbols on in box 1, in the orange box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you may get these questions as it is, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, that I understood. And ma'am, in France, many people are called Lord.
Many people
Ma'am,
are called
ma'am, Lord. Ma'am,
no
ma'am, before their name.
before
Yes,
their
ma'am.
name.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like this, it is written, peasants were obliged to render services to the Lord.
बेटा यहाँ पे ये लॉर्ड्स किसको बोल रहे हैं? ये लॉर्ड्स जो थे, these were the feudal lords. Nobility जो थी, those people who were collecting the land revenues, they were considered, they were called as lords. Landlords जो होते हैं, landlords जानते हैं?
Yes,
Those
ma'am.
who own the lands. हाँ बेटा, Asjad is in our class only, no? Wait. Okay. Landlords which were there here, lords refers to those people who owned land and collected revenue from the farmers who were working on their lands, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so Lord was the part of the nobility.
Lord were the part of the nobility only.
And ma'am, like clergy were the people related to church. Ma'am, they were not a specific type of government. Ma'am, but
they were not specific type of government. They were the privileged classes. They were the people who were given free lands. Gifted lands were given to them by the king.
Okay.
Because all
and
the religious...
Ma'am, are nobility a specific type of government in France?
Nobility was not a government. Nobility again was working under the king only. These were the people who were the privileged classes, who were given lands, who were given certain, responsibilities to bear by the king.
Ma'am, like zamindars in India.
Yes, just like zamindars in India.
Ma'am, lord was in the British rule, no?
बेटा लॉर्ड्स जो थे आपके वो इंडियन ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट में लॉर्ड्स हुआ करते थे. लॉर्ड आयरविन, बहुत सारे थे, लॉर्ड डलहौजी, लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस, है ना?
यस मैम, यस मैम.
हाँ, पर जब क्वीन विक्टोरिया को दे दिया गया था रूल ऑफ दिस थिंग, तब उसके बाद आपके गवर्नर जनरल्स आने लगे थे. तब ये लॉर्ड का सिस्टम खत्म हो गया था, लॉर्ड्स हटा दिए गए थे, तब गवर्नर जनरल्स जो है स्पेसिफाई कर दिए गए थे. ठीक है, पहले केवल यही लोग थे.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, चलिए नेक्स्ट डाउट.
Ma'am, can you please explain what was the feudal system?
Okay, anybody in the class who knows what was the feudal system? Can anybody explain me?
Ma'am, it was followed in the Middle Ages. Ma'am, I know this.
It was followed in the Middle India?
No, ma'am, Middle Age. Ma'am,
Okay.
like 1700s.
Acha, middle. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vyom, tell.
In which landholders provide the people with land in the exchange of their service or means job.
ठीक है, दोबारा बोलो, दोबारा बताओ, दोबारा से एक बार और बता दो. हाँ,
वो लैंड दे रहे थे पीपल को और अपना जॉब मांगते थे, उनका जॉब.
नहीं मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मतलब थोड़ा स्पेसिफाई करो, थोड़ा और क्लियर करो।
मीन जो मैम लैंड होल्डर्स होते थे मैम,
हाँ,
वो मैम कॉमन पीपल को लैंड देते थे, एंड
ठीक है।
मैम उसके बदले में मैम जो कॉमन पीपल होते थे उनकी सर्विस या जॉब मांगते थे,
अच्छा
वो थी।
अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है। एनीबडी एल्स इन द क्लास? मॉली?
Ma'am, I had to ask that which map we have to do in history.
फॉर चैप्टर 1?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, फॉर चैप्टर 1
Ma'am, the map of France with 4 cities.
हाँ, only map of France that is already given in the map skill, and only 4 places you were supposed to mark. Okay. Right?
Ma'am, have you
Ma'am,
done
where
the
is the map scale given?
मैप स्किल आप लोगों को बेटा सिलेबस के साथ मिली होगी बच्चे।
No, ma'am, I'm asking for the ma'am in book, ma'am, where it is given the.
I think page number 9 it is given.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the Marseillaise, ma'am, the national anthem of France, ma'am, which was sung when the France people were going into the war.
हाँ, when the revolutions were undertaken during that time, this Marseillaise song was sung, and later on it became the national anthem of France.
Ma'am, but it was means it was composed previously only by Robert D.
हाँ, it was composed by him for the revolution purpose. Like जैसे हम वंदे मातरम गाते थे ना, जब हमारे देश में आजादी की लड़ाई शुरू हुई थी तो वंदे मातरम गाया जाता था। उसके बाद ये हमारे देश का राष्ट्र गीत बन गया, नेशनल सॉन्ग है ना। हाँ
मैम, उससे पहले मैम उनका क्या नेशनल एंथम तो ये मैम था ही नहीं।
नहीं, तब नहीं था, उससे पहले नहीं था, उससे पहले कुछ ऐसा नहीं था। पर जब रिपब्लिक बना तो उसी सॉन्ग को जो है नेशनल एंथम डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया। राइट?
हाँ।
And ma'am, when was the system of ma'am 3 states in France?
इंट्रोड्यूस्ड और एबॉलिश्ड?
Ma'am, abolished.
बेटा देखो बुक में बहुत क्लियर लिखा हुआ है कि 1789 से पहले जो सोसाइटी सेटअप था उसको हम ओल्ड रिजीम बोलते हैं। ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
1789 के बाद ही खत्म हो गया था, 1789 तक ही था। जब फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हुआ उसके बाद ये सब सिस्टम खत्म हो गया। ओके, आहाना, कमिंग टू द फ्यूडल सिस्टम। फ्यूडल सिस्टम को अगर आप ऐसे समझो, इंडियन कंटेक्स्ट में अगर आप समझो, तो हमारे जो जमींदारी सिस्टम था, जिसमें जो जमींदार थे, द लैंडलॉर्ड्स जो थे, दे यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम द पीपल और रेंट फ्रॉम दोज पीपल हु वर वर्किंग ऑन देयर लैंड्स। ठीक है? जो लैंडलेस फार्मर्स थे उनसे जो है वो लोग रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट करते थे। ठीक है? फिर चाहे वो छोटे लैंड पे काम करते हो चाहे वो बड़े फार्मर्स हो, वो उनको रेवेन्यू देना होता था, क्योंकि सारा लैंड जो था उन लोगों के अंडर होता था। एंड दीज पीपल अलाउड देम, दे गेव देम द लिबर्टी टू टिल देयर लैंड एंड कल्टिवेट, राइट? And whatever was produced, a small amount was given to them, rest of the amount was sold in the market, and whatever profit was gained, that was kept by the feudal lord. Why? Because feudal lords were the people who were appointed by the king to collect revenue from these farmers and peasants. Right?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, these feudal lords were nobility.
Yes. Talking about France, they were the nobility. See, in whole of Europe, this feudal system was prevalent. ठीक है? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
And ma'am,
Yes.
I have one more doubt.
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, what led Napoleon Bonaparte to become the ultimate leader of France?
It is because, see, people were not able to, manage the directory that came into France after the fall of the Jacobians, the convection which was there. When directory came into France, the directory members which were there, legislative and the councils which were legislative members and the these executives, they were always in conflict. They could not agree to same thing. That is why, because of the continuous conflict that was there, this led to the rise of Napoleon. He took the he was into military. He took the advantage of the situation that was developing in France and ultimately declared himself as the emperor. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse
Ma'am?
me.
Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, in source E, can you explain the last 3 lines?
Source E.
Yes, ma'am.
Source E is on which page number?
Ma'am, page number 18.
Source E. Acha, Olympia D goes. Acha, she was a revolutionary. She was a leader. But people did not like it the way she was, protesting, or she was making associations. In France, women were not given the rights. That is why she, her, like whatever her identity was, she had to surrender that. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta Parush.
Ma'am, ma'am on page number 11, ma'am, the image that is given, the image is the Constitution of France, no, ma'am?
Yes, Declaration of Rights of Man. Source C. Figure 8.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the law tablet of France. Yes.
So, ma'am, it is also the Constitution.
These were certain constitutional norms that were given after
a
France
component of constitution.
After France became constitutional monarchy. Some parts of it is given over. Not everything is mentioned, but some parts of it is given. Right?
And we have to learn these sources.
Sources you don't have to learn.
And we have to learn these sources.
No, not all, beta. You need to learn. See, source E, you may get a question from there. Then source D, you may get a question from there. Then these political symbols, box 1, page 12 and 13. Then you may get a question from figure 7, the political system under the Constitution of 1791. Right? Then you may get a picture-based questions when you, if you will get, you may get it from figure 8 also, figure 7 also. Then you may get it from figure 5. They may ask you, showing the picture, they may ask you, identify the place or identify the image and tell what it shows or what it tells or what it signifies. Then important dates that are given.
Have you done the question answer of this chapter?
नहीं बेटा, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अभी हमने ऐसा नहीं करे हैं. उसका रीजन ये है कि होल ऑफ द चैप्टर यू मे गेट क्वेश्चंस, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव नॉट डिस्कस्ड. आई विल शेयर द लिंक विद यू फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन गेट द आंसर्स. राइट? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And
ma'am, when our UT will be held?
June end, I told you, no?
Okay, ma'am.
June end, and you'll be told before that. Don't worry. You keep preparing your chapters as we are completing them for all the subjects, not particularly for my subject, but for all the subjects. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, in geography, ma'am, which chapters will come in UT?
Beta, you will be informed. Why are you worried?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, only chapter 1 will be there, right? Ma'am, because
yes, chapter 1 geography. Chapter 1 geography, chapter 1 history, chapter 1 civics, chapter 1 economics. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one more doubt, ma'am.
Yes, beta, please ask.
Ma'am, in the previous class, ma'am, you said that ma'am Napoleon was left alone on an island, ma'am. So, ma'am, on that island, ma'am, he was not given the food, ma'am, food and water.
बेटा left alone का मतलब था his people were not there with him. Of course there were people who served him food. वो सब तो थे बेटा, उसके केयर टेकिंग के लिए सब लोग थे. But he was not left with his own people.
So ma'am, he died because of the coma, ma'am.
Beta, he died because of, I think,
An old age.
नहीं ओल्ड एज तो खैर नहीं थी, बट उसकी डेथ एक तो अकेला था इस वजह से भी, एंड ही कुड नॉट एस्केप. तो एक जो अकेलापन होता है उसकी वजह से भी इंसान थोड़ा परेशान हो जाता है. मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं आ रहा है अभी क्या
मैम लाइक ट्रॉमा.
हाँ ऐसा ही था, इसी वजह से.
मैम ड्यू टू स्टमक कैंसर ही डाइड.
नहीं रुको एक मिनट, कुछ रुको 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 रुको. आई थिंक कोई एलमेंट, exactly I don't remember, but some ailments, some ailment was there that because of which he died.
Who
Right?
died?
हाँ.
Ma'am, who died?
Napoleon.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Taran, please ask.
Ma'am, during that period of time, women were taken for granted.
Yes.
Ma'am, they were not given much importance. Ma'am,
Importance in the sense they were not given political rights. Of course, they were important for the families, but then they had no authority of taking decisions. They had no authority of, they were not given any political rights.
ma'am, so why men allowed their ladies to go out and revolt?
See, that revolt part was something which, of course, women were concerned about. They never said you come with us, but then of course, when women felt that they should also be part of the revolution, they joined. Like in India, when women revolt, when the women they became part of the nationalist movement, nobody told them to be part of it. They themselves they decided to be part of it. They felt that they should be part of the revolts, that they should be part of the nationalist movements that are taking place in the country, just to show their contribution towards the independence. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you said ma'am there is a map on page number 9, ma'am, but there is no map skill given on that ma'am page.
तो कैसी बात करो, पेज नंबर 9 पे नहीं है मैप फ्रांस वाला जो?
Ma'am, there is there's figure 6. Yes, ma'am, figure 6.
फिगर 6 द स्प्रेड ऑफ द ग्रेट फियर, ये मैप ही है फ्रांस का. गूगल से आप इसका
Ma'am,
यस अनोखी.
sorry, ma'am, please continue.
No, it's okay, you ask.
No, ma'am, I was asking, we have to mark all these places then or some particular places?
No, only 4 places are important as per the CBSE curriculum. You have to, if you don't have the map with you, you can always download the political map of France. And 4 places that you need to mark are Bordeaux, Nantes, then Paris,
and Paris and Bordeaux.
Marseilles.
Ma'am,
Right?
Bordeaux.
Okay ma'am.
Bordeaux also. हाँ.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again?
Marseilles, Bordeaux, Nantes, and Paris.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shivansh, I'll send you the PDF. Don't worry, beta. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We have done flowcharts for this chapter.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
flowchart?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So remind me in the next class that we will have, we will do the flowcharts, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
In the fair.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Saksham. बेटा पूछो प्लीज, कौन है ये?
Ma'am, Asjad.
हाँ अजब बेटा पूछिए बच्चा.
Ma'am, on page number 22, it is given, ma'am, figure 15. Ma'am, the patriotic fat reducing press. Ma'am, what is it?
बेटा ये एक सरकास्टिक वो था कि भाई रेवोल्यूशन हुआ, रेवोल्यूशनरी फ्रांस में सबको हर किसी को अपने तरीके का फ्रीडम मिला, बिकॉज पहले सेंसरशिप इम्पोज किया गया था ऑन दी न्यूज़पेपर्स, वो सेंसरशिप हटा दिया गया. तो जब ये सेंसरशिप हटाई गई उसके बाद पीपल वर फ्री टू डू एनीथिंग. तो ये एक तरीके का मतलब मस्ती था विच पीपल वर डूइंग कि भाई जैसे हर काम करने का राइट है तो हमें पतले होने का भी अधिकार है, अब उसके लिए हम कुछ भी करें. वी कैन रन क्लब्स ऑल्सो, वी कैन रन एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रेस ऑल्सो, फैट रिड्यूसिंग क्लब्स या प्रेस. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
And ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Divyansh.
Ma'am, can you explain figure 16 on page number 23?
Figure 16 on page number 23. हमने उस दिन बताया था किसी को ये बेटा जो मारेट थे, ही वाज अ फिलोसोफर, हमने बताया था. तो ये बेसिकली दिखा रहा है कि किस तरीके से ही वाज एड्रेसिंग पीपल एंड ही वाज वांटिंग दैट पीपल शुड लिसन टू हिम व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है ना भाई. ही वाज अ फिलोसोफर. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, they are protesting against the king.
No, they are not protesting. ये है, ये बेसिकली जो है आपका जैसे he is you know delivering some kind of speech to the people.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Okay, so sorry.
Now you are audible.
In this actually, you know what he is doing? He is discussing something with the people, like we have read, no? when the philosophers, when in France, you know, the philosophers, the middle classes, that the educated middle class which was there, they were quite aware of the people's right and everything, how the country should be governed, and all these clauses that they were, you know, spreading among the people. So Marat, he was Jean-Paul Marat. He was again a philosopher who was part of the, you can say who was part of, you know, various public speeches which he undertook to aware people about what the country should be, how the people should be there, what kind of rights they should have. He was a philosopher. He used to convey to the general public that how they should, you know, how the people of a country should be treated, what kind of rights they should have. So all these things, we know that people were discussing all these in the public, in the saloons, in the coffee shops where they were sitting with the general public, they were discussing. जैसे आज की डेट में अगर आप देखो तो जैसे अभी जो बंगाल में चुनाव हुए थे, इलेक्शंस हुए थे, हर कोई जो है गली मोहल्ले में सब जगह पे, दो इट वाज कोरोना काल बट स्टिल पीपल वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इट, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ा पॉलिटिकल इवेंट था ये. ठीक है, ऐसे ही वहां पे जब पीपल वर, यू नो, दे वर व्हेन द थर्ड एस्टेट वाज made aware of the political rights that they should have and how the country during that time, these people, they conduct general meetings for the people, general assemblies for the people, where in the coffee shops, in the saloons where they used to go for general things, they used to discuss just to make the people aware. क्योंकि सब लोग पढ़े लिखे तो थे नहीं, ना तो सब लोग सब कुछ पढ़ सकते थे. पैम्पलेट्स वगैरह जो रिलीज करे गए थे by many of the philosophers, तो वो पढ़ तो नहीं पाते थे, but then of course discussing would have always made them, you know, aware of what they wanted to convey to the general public.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Saksham.
Ma'am, what are manners?
मैनर्स जो है बड़े बड़े मेंशंस हुआ करते थे बेटा इन लैंडलॉर्ड, ये फ्यूडल लॉर्ड्स जो होते थे ना, इनके बड़े बड़े घर बंगले जिनको हम बोलते हैं ना, एक बहुत बड़ा सा एरिया है, उसके बीच में एक खाली घर बना हुआ है, खूब बड़ा सा है, काफी सारे रूम्स हैं उसके अंदर, वहां पे सर्वेंट्स क्वार्टर भी है, सब कुछ है और सारी फैसिलिटीज हैं. और लैंड जो चारों तरफ का जो लैंड एरिया है उस पे जो है फार्मर्स या पीजेंट्स जो है वो वर्क करते थे.
बोले सुन तो रहा हूँ.
ठीक है,
दिखाई.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, the map that we have to do of France, ma'am, it should be, ma'am, physical or political, ma'am?
अगर आप पॉलिटिकल पे करोगे तो ज्यादा इजी रहेगा बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
क्योंकि whenever.
Ma'am, may I ask a doubt?
Yes, beta, please.
Ma'am, in the year 1804, Napoleon became the king of France. Ma'am, who gave him the right to crown himself as the king?
The instability that was prevalent in the country. People were not happy with the political.
And ma'am, why all the people accepted him as the king?
Because earlier when he became the king, he made certain provisions, certain reforms were brought by him, which made people very happy. He gave the rights of having private property, which nobody allowed them to have. He gave all the men the right to vote, which nobody gave them. All the men were not given the right to vote.
Ma'am, do he fulfilled all the promises that were being
नहीं
all the
बेटा, ऐसा तो बेटा, it is not possible at all. He never made any promises to the people. First of all, he became the king of France because of the political instability that was there in the country. Like Hitler, you know, when he took the control of the country in his hands, during that time also Germany was facing a lot of problems. That is why people confided in him, and they felt that only Hitler can bring the country back to its original shape, or the original power that it actually had. After the First World War, Germany's power was taken. Germany became a very poor country. It had to face the economic crisis, the depression that followed after the First World War. Similarly, France also had to face a lot of problems because of the abolishing of the monarchy. It was declared as a republic. Convection was not successful. Robespierre government failed. Then the directory that came to rule France, that also could not control, that could not also remain in power for long. So ultimately, Napoleon took the advantage of it, who was in the military, and he took the advantage of it and he declared himself as the Emperor of France. Right?
And ma'am, in the book it is written, ma'am, a huge amount of money was spent for the maintenance of Versailles. Ma'am, the court of Versailles. Ma'am, the whole Versailles.
बेटा वो पैलेस था, वर्सलिस जो था पैलेस था, जहाँ पे मल्टीपल रूम्स हुआ करते थे फॉर डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज. तो उस पूरे को अपने आप में मेंटेन करना वाज अ वेरी बिग टास्क. और यहाँ पे जो ये बात कर रहे हैं, दे आर टॉकिंग पर्टिकुलरली अबाउट द एस्टेट. जो आपका जो एस्टेट मीटिंग हुआ करता था, उसको कंडक्ट कराना वाज अ वेरी कॉस्टली अफेयर.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Taran.
And ma'am.
Yes, Saksham, ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when Louis XVI helped 13 American colonies get independence from Britain. Ma'am,
बेटा दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, under Louis XVI, France helped 13 American colonies to get independence from Britain. Ma'am, it is written, the war added more than $1 billion livres to a debt that had already risen to more than $2 billion livres. Ma'am, means वो पहले से ही 2 बिलियन था, या वो वॉर के बाद 1 बिलियन मिलाकर 2 बिलियन हो गया.
बेटा वॉर से पहले ही उसने जो है टैक्सेस लोन लेके रखा हुआ था. वॉर की वजह से और लोन लेना पड़ा, जिसकी वजह से वो और डेप्ट में चला गया. उसको फिर इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ा, बहुत हाई अमाउंट वाला, जिसके लिए उसके पास ट्रेजरी में पैसे नहीं थे, है ना.
ओके मैम.
इस वजह से भी फ्रांस हैड टू डिक्लेयर, द किंग हैड टू कॉल फॉर अ स्टेट जनरल मीटिंग.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, give me just 2 minutes quickly your attendance. We have Ahana in the class. Radhe is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arush? Abhishri? Anokhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Shika Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
Anvesha?
Present, ma'am.
Then Arihant?
Yes, ma'am.
Arshit Yadav?
Present, ma'am.
Arushi Nigam?
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Gangwar? Is not there. Asjad Raza is there. Atharva Verma is not there. Avantika Saxena?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi Nimesh? Bhavya Khandelwal? Gurleen Kaur? Why Gurleen is not attending classes? Any idea? Harshit Oberoi? Harshit
No idea.
is not there in the class today. Himanshu Singh? Ishi Agarwal?
Present,
ma'am.
Arav Patel? Jivyansh Arora?
Present, ma'am.
Kartikeya Saxena? Kavya Tripathi? Do we have Kavya in the class? No. Khyati? Kinjal? Krishna Kumar?
Ma'am, Krishna Tribuna.
Okay. Mihika? Paurush Daksh?
Ma'am, Paurush present.
Prachi Gangwar is not there. Pradyuman? Prakhar? Precious.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay, Precious.
Present, ma'am.
Saksham?
Present, ma'am.
Purvi? Is Purvi there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, my that speaker was not working, so I took out the speaker and then I'm.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shagun Mittal?
Present, ma'am.
Shambhavi is not there. Shashank? Shashank is also not attending classes. Why is it so? Shivansh Pal? Shrey Gupta?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Yes. Shreya? Siddhi?
Present, ma'am.
Taran?
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh? Molly?
Ma'am, present. Ma'am,
Utkarsh is present. Vyom Saxena?
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Any name I have left?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ahana?
Ma'am, have you marked my attendance, ma'am? I went somewhere.
No, I said no. Ahana and Aradhya are present.
Okay, ma'am. I couldn't hear, ma'am.
Okay, no problems. No problems.
Ma'am, have you marked me present?
Yes, Vyom. See, when you people switched on the camera, I saw many of these boys, they have got very long hair. Why is it so? Why don't you go for a haircut? Tell mama to cut your hair.
Ma'am, I can't find a barber.
Hey, tell your mama to cut. Mamas are the best. They are best in everything. They are best in everything, you know. Isn't it?
No, I'm not in everything.
Of course, they are best in everything.
My father cut my hair, so ma'am, he completely ruined everything. That is why.
And after that, I will shave my head.
Acha, very good, Parush. This is good.
Yes.
This is the best way to escape summers, no? Heat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, hit and trial is always there, no? Once, if mama cuts, she may not be perfect. Second time, she'll gain some perfection. Third time, definitely she'll become perfect in cutting your hair. Isn't it?
Ma'am, till the time ma'am she becomes perfect, ma'am, our hair will become a mess.
And boys are not the object of experiment.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, girls should also, girls should also cut their hair, ma'am.
Girls के लिए तो कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, बाल काट दो सीधे हो गए, blunt hair. Where is the problem? Girls के बाल काटने में there is no complication. Those who have got long hair, सीधे से पकड़ो, टक 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 हो गया blunt hair. आहाना का देखो, आहाना nice haircut.
Ma'am, only boys are torture, ma'am, to cut their hair, ma'am. Ma'am, why not?
Yes, ma'am. My mother only cuts my hair.
This is what, even when I was in school, I never went to a this thing, parlors and all. My mother, she used to give me a haircut, and everybody used to appreciate such a nice haircut I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Seriously, nobody ever said that. Nobody could make out that it is my mother who cuts my hair. It is very, see, mothers are good at everything, you know. You should always give them a choice that, yes, please experiment on us. We are ready to be part of experiments. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, we are like a test tube, ma'am. Ma'am, put us every chemical in it and mix them.
It's not like that. It is not like that at all. देखो खाना जो होता है, खाना जब मम्मा किचन में बनाती है तो खाने भी तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करती है नहीं करती है मम्मा? कितना सारा एक्सपेरिमेंट करती है और खाना कितना टेस्टी बन जाता है. तो
yes, ma'am.
क्या बोला, एक बार हेयरकट खराब होगा, दो बार खराब होगा, third time definitely it will come out to be a perfect, you know, haircut. At least.
But experiment.
हाँ?
Ma'am, but experiment ma'am खाने में ma'am हो सकता है. Ma'am, but in a limit. Ma'am, not like. Ma'am, non-veg में veg मिला रहे हैं कि veg में non-veg मिला रहे हैं.
That is not experiment. That is torture.
मैम कभी-कभी मैम ऐसा होगा मैम की बाल